Building Preventive Habits, your 30-day reset. Welcome to episode 7 of Future Proof with Dr. Chaitanya. This one is all about turning knowledge into action. You've listened, learned, reflected. Now it's time to reset. What I'm going to share today is something I call the 30-day preventive health reset. This is a step-by-step lifestyle upgrade plan based on real success stories from my patients right here in Hyderabad. No fads, no guilt trips, just solid habits that stick. Let me tell you about Arvind and Sneha, a couple from Secunderabad, early 40s. Arvind had borderline sugar, elevated cholesterol, and Sneha energy and sleep problems. They didn't want to jump straight to medicines. So we built a 30-day reset. Within a month, both lost weight, felt mentally sharper, and reversed their cholesterol and sugar numbers. So here's the plan I gave them. You can follow that too. Week 1. First, know your numbers. Get a basic health checkup. Your blood sugar, your cholesterol, liver and kidney values, your blood pressure, your oxygen saturation level. Check your thyroid, your sugars, vitamin D and B12. Create a simple tracker. A Google Sheet will do. Piece of paper. Identify your red flags. If your sugars are high, you should know it. Is your weight high? Is your energy level low? Don't panic. Awareness is the first win. In week 2, clean up your plate. Start your day with water, something fresh, fruits, good soaked almonds, lemon water. Fix one meal per day. Change your breakfast to a colorful plate, vegetables and fruit. Boiled vegetables help. Egg whites. Cut out one processed item. No biscuits, no chocolates, no colas, no packaged snacks the entire week, preferably for the entire month. Eat dinner early, before 8 p.m., at least 5 days a week. Reduce outside food to once a week. In week 3, move more, breathe better. Walk 20 to 30 minutes every day. Even a 10-minute walk makes a difference. Do one 5-minute breathing practice. Yoga and deep breathing make a difference. Add 3 posture breaks during your work. Neck rolls, shoulder stretching, squats. Make a difference. No exercise equipment is needed. Just maintain consistency. In week 4, declutter the mind and reset your routine. Fix your sleep. Lights off by 10 p.m. No screens 1 hour before 10 p.m. Reduce your phone usage by 1 hour a day. Keep a track of it. Keep one journal. Write at least 4-5 lines every day. Celebrate progress. Track how you feel physically and mentally. I'll also give you a bonus challenge, the Sunday reset. Pick a time each Sunday. Review your week. Plan your meals. Schedule your walks, your workouts in the gym. Check in with your doctor or your health coach. By the end of 30 days, you won't just feel better. You'll have habits which you can carry for the next 3 to 4 months, preferably over a year. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. If you want help designing what works for you, you need a personalized reset, I am always available. You can schedule a consult with me. Let's build your future-proof plan. This is Dr. Chaitanya, and I'll see you next time for our final episode where we'll zoom out, look at preventive health for your entire family. Until then, keep walking, breathe well, and track your progress. Your future self is already thanking you.